Welcome to the breathtaking Kona Cloud Forest Sanctuary, where nature's harmony reminds us of the intricate connection between human and planetary health. This rare cloud forest is a sanctuary, not just for plants and wildlife, but also for us. A place where we can reconnect, restore, and give back to the earth. Hi, I'm Heather, and this is Eco Wellness Journeys, where we explore the beautiful intersection of human wellness and environmental conservation. Today, I'm sharing a meaningful experience that brought me closer to this mission, joining a Mālama Āina service event right here in the Kona Cloud Forest Sanctuary. These monthly events are dedicated to caring for the land, removing invasive species like Kahili Ginger, and preparing the soil for planting trees during the rainy season. They're proof that small collective actions can lead to big transformations. From overgrazed cattle land to a thriving forest, the Kona Cloud Forest Sanctuary is a story of hope and resilience, a shining example of how environmental volunteering can heal the earth while grounding and inspiring those who take part. And what made this event even more special? It coincided with the Winter Solstice, a time of reflection, renewal, and connection to nature's cycles. Drew McWhirter, the founder's grandson, shared beautiful insights about this seasonal turning point, reminding us of the balance between darkness and light, and the hope that follows. So let's take a walk together through this inspiring experience, one that I hope will encourage you to get involved and be part of this ongoing mission to restore and protect the unique beauty of Hawaii's cloud forests. And while you're here, I'm excited to share that this video also serves as an enlightening precursor to an 8-part series about the importance of protecting the Amazon rainforest. Stay tuned for that. It's a journey you won't want to miss. 40 years ago, this land looked very different. The area we now know as the Kona Cloud Forest Sanctuary was once barren, overgrazed pasture land. Cattle had taken over, and the native ecosystem had been stripped away. But in 1982, a visionary named Norman Bizona saw a different future for this place. A professor of horticulture, Norman decided to take on a bold challenge, proving that a forest could be reclaimed and regenerated in a reasonable amount of time. Today, the Kona Cloud Forest Sanctuary is a thriving example of ecological restoration, a Hawaiian reforestation success story. What started as an experiment to heal damaged land has become a sanctuary for native and non-native plants, providing vital habitats for birds, insects, and other wildlife. Cloud forests like this one make up less than 1% of the world's forests, but their importance is immeasurable. They capture moisture from the air, feed Hawaii's watersheds, and support incredible biodiversity. Every tree planted here, every difficult-to-manage opportunistic species removed, plays a role in preserving this unique ecosystem. The sanctuary isn't just about the plants and wildlife. It's about people. It's a place where volunteers, scientists, and visitors come together, finding purpose and connection through environmental volunteering and education. This isn't just a forest. It's a symbol of what's possible when we care for the earth and work to reverse the damage of the past. It's a story of resilience, hope, and the transformative power of human effort. Arriving at the Mālama Āina cleanup event, I immediately felt a sense of purpose in the air. Everyone was here for a shared mission, to give back to the land and play a part in restoring this beautiful cloud forest. My husband, Albert, and I were excited to join in and meet others who share our passion for Hawaiian reforestation and environmental stewardship. Before we began, we took a moment to ground ourselves. We introduced ourselves, shared a little about why we were here, and took cleansing breaths to connect with the land and each other. It was a small but powerful way to start the day and reaffirmed the holistic wellness eco-spiritual practices that Eco Wellness Journeys promotes. Our task for the day was to remove Kahili Ginger, an invasive plant that was initially introduced as a filler during the forest's early restoration. While it served its purpose then, to fill in space so less manageable plant species didn't have the opportunity to pioneer and get a foothold, it's now time to remove it, to prepare for more tree planting once the rainy season starts. By clearing it out, we're making space to plant more trees to grow, thrive, and expand the forest canopy. Participating in this project felt so rewarding. Every plant we pulled out was a step toward reclaiming this land and giving it back to nature. And the best part? Doing it alongside others who cared just as deeply about the earth as we did. I met some incredible people that day, each with their own reasons for being there. From a county worker passionate about sustainable land management, to a songwriter who expressed his connection to the land through music, the sense of community was undeniable. We even exchanged numbers, and I left feeling like I'd found kindred spirits. The day wasn't just about the work. It was about connection. Connection to the land, to each other, and to something greater. A shared belief that we can make a difference, one tree at a time. As I stood in the quiet of the forest at the end of the day, I felt a deep sense of gratitude for this land, for the people I'd met, and for the chance to be part of something so much bigger than myself. One of the most beautiful parts of the Mālama Āina cleanup event was the shared energy among everyone who came to help. You could feel the connection, not just to the land, but to each other. It was a gathering of people who believe in something bigger, that together we can make a difference. Each person brought their own story, their own passion. Some came with professional backgrounds in land management or environmental science. Others were simply inspired to take action. But no matter their reasons, everyone shared the same goal: to restore this land and protect the future of Hawaii's cloud forests. As I worked alongside them, I was reminded of the power of community. There's something incredible about coming together with people you've just met, rolling up your sleeves, and working toward a common purpose. It's grounding, inspiring, and deeply rewarding. While the day was about removing invasive species to prepare the land for planting new trees once the rainy season is upon us, it was also about connection. Conversations were filled with hope, ideas, and a shared love for the land. It felt like more than just a project. It felt like building and nurturing a community rooted in care and commitment. It's not just about what we accomplished that day, though that's important. It's about the connections we formed, the sense that we're all part of something much bigger than ourselves, and the confirmation that working together allows us to do so much more than any of us could do on our own. That's what makes events like this so meaningful. It's easy to feel like our individual actions can't make a difference, but standing in this cloud forest, surrounded by people who care, I was reminded of a simple truth. Every effort matters. Every hand pulling invasive plants, every tree planted, every moment spent giving back to the land, it all adds up. The transformation of the Kona Cloud Forest Sanctuary is a testament to what's possible when people come together. What was once barren, overgrazed land is now a thriving ecosystem, supporting biodiversity and helping to restore Hawaii's watersheds. Community involvement isn't just about the work. It's about connection. It's about realizing we're not alone in caring for the planet and finding strength in each other's commitment. When we work together, we amplify our impact and inspire others to join us. Events like the Mālama Āina cleanup show us that restoration isn't just a physical act. It's an act of hope. It's a statement that we believe in the possibility of healing, not just for the earth, but for ourselves and our communities. It's easy to look at the challenges our planet faces and feel overwhelmed. But being part of this event reminded me that we're stronger together. Every person who shows up, who lends their time and energy, is part of a bigger story, one of resilience, collaboration, and hope. When we care for the land, we're not just giving back to nature. We're nurturing something within ourselves, and that's a gift we can all share. Reforestation is about more than planting trees. It's about creating ecosystems that support life, sustain biodiversity, and combat the effects of climate change. In the Kona Cloud Forest Sanctuary, every sapling planted represents a step toward healing, not just this land, but our planet as a whole. Forests like this one are home to an incredible variety of life. They provide shelter, food, and clean air, not just for the wildlife that thrives here, but for all of us. Protecting these ecosystems ensures that future generations can enjoy a world rich in natural beauty and resources. Forests also play a critical role in maintaining our planet's water cycle. In Hawaii, cloud forests like this one capture moisture from the air, feeding our watersheds and ensuring the availability of fresh water for the communities below. Planting a tree might seem like a small act, but it has far-reaching effects. Trees sequester carbon, reduce soil erosion, and help stabilize the climate. They're a reminder of nature's resilience and its ability to recover when we give it the chance. Efforts like the Mālama Āina service event are part of a larger movement, a global push to restore the Earth's forests and mitigate the effects of deforestation. Every tree planted here is a contribution to that greater goal, connecting this forest to a worldwide network of restoration and renewal. When we take part in reforestation, we're not just giving back to the earth, we're investing in a future where humans and nature can thrive together. It's a powerful reminder of our ability to create positive change, one tree, one forest at a time. Being part of the Mālama Āina service event at the Kona Cloud Forest Sanctuary on the Winter Solstice was a truly meaningful way to honor the day. Together with other volunteers, we cleared invasive plants to prepare the land for future planting, creating space for native trees to thrive. It was a powerful reminder that small actions done together can spark significant transformations for the planet. As Drew McWhirter reminded us, the solstice is a time of renewal and reflection, a reminder of nature's cycles and how light always follows darkness. This message resonates with our work in the cloud forest and the mission of Eco-Wellness Journeys. If you're curious to learn more about the winter solstice, what it means, what it teaches us, and meaningful ways to celebrate it, we encourage you to watch our latest Eco-Wellness Journeys video, Exploring the Winter Solstice, Spiritual Significance and Rituals. Just click on the link on your screen or in the video description below. This experience also ties into an exciting project I've been working on, a special 8-part video series exploring the importance of protecting the Amazon rainforest. If you're as passionate about caring for the earth as I am, I hope you'll join me for that series when it launches. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Visit the Kona Cloud Forest Sanctuary's website if you'd like to support the Kona Cloud Forest Sanctuary or participate in a future Mālama Āina service event. And don't forget to subscribe to Eco-Wellness Journeys for more inspiring stories about how we can connect with and care for our planet.